put you on a waiting list. So we're going to look for something else for you to go into, okay, in September. And then they're going to call me back if they decide to run that course, because there's been lots of interest, but they just haven't had anyone.
Hey, hang on tight, ladies and gentlemen. You're experiencing supersonic speed in slow motion.
Hey, you better film it for Neil.
I'm filming it right now. One thing's for sure, they don't make streetcars like this anymore.
Joining us, put on your best manners and welcome them. Hello, come on board. How are you? Welcome back. Thank you. And now, of course, we need to do the reverse.
They're kind of like subway doors that slide open and close.
That's right, yeah.
I've been on the TTC.
Oh, really?
I've taken the T1 and the TR.
Those routes? Are those routes?
No, the subway trains.
Oh, okay.
Like the Bombardier T1 trains slide open and close quickly.
Oh, really? You gotta be in a hurry, huh? I mean, you gotta be quick.
Oh, I'm always...
You are quick, huh?
Yeah, and I'm filming the streetcar. Wow.
Brian, I think I should wash your bike jacket.
Because the mark?
Yeah.
No.
Whoa, let's there it goes. Make it a little small. There we go.
How come I can't take your picture?
I'm filming.
Video. We'll stop that. It was on video. And I'm not techno savvy, so I knew enough to go like this.
Man, this April is going to be a special Hamilton trip to remember. Bus trip, GO train and subway trip that I've been waiting for. And to record.
Are you? Whoa! Are you on video?
I'm a YouTube enthusiast.
Okay. Are you on video now, though?
Oh no, I'm not on the video.
No, but is your camera on video?
Yeah.
Oh, so, okay. Do you want a still photo of yourselves?
Oh, do you want a picture of it, Brian? Yes?
I was gonna.
I'll incorporate you into the video.